recognition of our university for the awards. As Agriculture University in 2014, two Telugu states were bifurcated, and our Acharya Engineering Agriculture University came into Andhra Pradesh. And in from 2014, we are working at LAM as a headquarters.
Can you be slightly loud, please?
Yes, sir. Yes,
slightly
please.
loud.
Okay, sir. Voice bench. After bifurcation, we are working at LAM Guntur for the benefit of the farmers under the name of Acharya Engineering Agriculture University. We have 3 wings. Research, teaching and extension wings are there in our university. In teaching, nearly 10 colleges are working, and in research, 33 research stations are working for the benefit of the farmers, and the technologies developed were transferring through extension faculty in our state. Next one. In this, I am proud to say that is ANGRAU has introduced the RAWE program for the benefit of the students in the final year, and this has taken up by the ICR and also make it as mandatory to all the state agriculture university in the final year. Apart from this RAWE program, we have also introduced the agricultural experience learning program for the benefit of the students. They are raising the seed to seed in their institution level. At the same time, they are exposing to the farmers and also farming situations in the rural work experience program. In the similar way, they are we are under graduation level, we are teaching, that is 1587 students in the PG 186 and PhD 63 students, and finally in agriculture diploma also there in our university, and 2587 students are regularly coming out of this from our university. So far from 1964, 32,000 of the students from UG and 10,000 nearly from PG PhD, and 15,000 of polytechnic students have came out from our university. Next slide. Sir, I am proud to say that nationally ANGRAU stood first in PG scholarships for 21-22 in both the faculties, that is agriculture and agriculture engineering. I am also proud to say that from 2018, 19 and 20 also, we ranked second in grabbing the PG scholarships at national level. And in coming to the research accomplishments, totally 470 varieties of different crops were released from our ANGRAU, and the mega rice varieties, that is BPT 5204, that is released under the name of Samba Masuri, and MTU 1079, it is the Swarna variety, and MTU 1001 and 1010 and NLR 3449 are the mega rice varieties that are occupying more area in not only in our AP but also in the country also, sir. That is apart from this, the varieties released from our Andhra Pradesh are occupying nearly 90% in paddy and ground at 95%, in black gram 75%, that is wood bean 75%, and mung bean in 60%. Apart from this, this year we are also placed and got 3 patents from for different, that is jaggery preparation, that is granular jaggery preparation, and missionary for the jaggery preparation, and chocolate making from the Opansha. That is these are the patents we got. And after bifurcation from Telangana, we really released 63 varieties from our university. So as I already told that these mega varieties, rice varieties occupied nearly 14 million hectares, that is 34% of the area of rice growing in national level, that is all India level, and giving us 33% of the India's total rice production. Globally, these also our varieties occupying in Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Uganda, Ethiopia, and Kenya too. In groundnut also we are occupying 55% in national area with the promising, that is Kadiri 6 variety, which is developed from our ANGRAU University. Apart from this, the pulses and sugarcane varieties has got footprints in our entire South India. I am proud to say that during Corona period also, the exports of our ANGRAU rice varieties nearly increased, and it is 14,190 crores for generated for export revenues. Next one. This is the important, even though we produced a number of varieties, the quality seed supply to the farmers in production and productivity increasing from their unit farmland is more important. When we see after bifurcation, we developed that is 70,000 of quintals of seed produced of different varieties in 21-22 and supplied to different agencies and also the farmers. In addition, we used to conduct mega seed melas by demonstrating all our important and large scale varieties to show and the showcase to different seed companies. Nearly in this April, nearly 150 companies from all India level visited our research station Maruteru in West Godavari district of Andhra Pradesh, and they purchased several quantities of breeder seed and foundation seed. So this is one of the important activities so that we can spread our areas to other states of our country. Next one. This is the technologies we are pioneering our from our ANGRAU. I am proud to say that drone technology, this is the fast upcoming technology, and also central and state government is also large of inputs and income. This is budget is giving to this technology, and we have developed standard operational procedures for nearly 10 major crops from this drone technology, and we are also popularized and demonstrated in 30,000 hectares in farmers field of different sowings and sprayings and green manure crops. Everything we have demonstrated to the farmers, and now we are going and development of pilots also, that is training of pilots and from the agri polytechnic students, so that they can be utilized as the pilots and co-pilots as they when we are owning that a drone is not, but owning the developing pilots also very good important future. So we are also training our polytechnic students in development of drone technologies. Apart from this, we are also organic farming we are conducting and agriculture market intelligence so as to show the rates, forecasting of rates to farmers which have to grow and everything, and in pest and disease forecasting through agrometeorology and simple machinery technologies that can be suitable for mini tractors and to reduce the cost of technology, and development of floricultures and tribal areas for improving the ecosystems also. Agro-ecotourism in tribal areas in our Andhra Pradesh also we are looking forward. Next one. This is the third wing, that is the extension wing. Whatever the technologies we have developed, we are delivering at the end, that is to the farmers. And one of the important thing is Vyavasaya Panchangam. From the last 50 years also, we are updating every regularly, and every on a festival, that the first festival of Telugu, that is Ugadi day, we used to release that Vyavasaya Panchangam after updating for that year. Apart from this, the data centers and KVKs are working in our extension levels, and they are greeting regularly the farmers through diagnostic and send visits. And meanwhile, we are also linking up with the department officers to transfer our technology and new technologies like flag methods, Columbadi, seasonal Kinson, Melas, TNV, and JRS is also we are conducting regularly to transfer our technology to the farmers. This is, I am proud to say that in 2018, we ranked 31st, 31 rank in agriculture universities. Now in 2020, we ranked 11th rank among the 70 agriculture university at the national level. Next. Sir, before going that, what are the challenges and future roadmap for our university and for the benefit of the farmers of Andhra Pradesh? These are the challenges, that is nutritional security. We have to develop biofortified varieties in not only in rice, millets, pulses,
conclude in next 2 minutes.
Ecotourism based empowerment. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Climate resilient varieties in development, cost technology, and pest and disease future prediction is also more important. And finally, we are transmitting the technologies. In the future roadmap, we are concentrating on quality education and academic excellence. Frontier research technologies, we want to go ahead, and quality seed production and distribution to different agencies and farmers, export-oriented production programs, and research out reach and tribal farmers empowerment and doubling farmers income by different methodologies. These are all about the achievements and the future line of work from our ANGRAU universities.
Very good, ma'am. Very good. Because Ranga University is doing good work, especially for seed production. No? I think you have done excellent work. So it was more about your university doing what sort of activities you are doing,
Yes.
right? But how come you are ranked 11 and all that? On what basis? Is it academic number of students you have done, or is a combo of you see your research activities or your seed production activities
Yes,
or
sir.
number of other things?
Yes, sir. Research activities and in revenue generation through seed production and external funded projects and publications in Scopus Industry journals and varieties, patents. Like this, we have improved our ranking in this, sir.
Okay, thank you. Keep on doing the good work.
Thank you, sir.
I
Thank you.
think your efforts are excellent and outstanding. But what are you doing about the access of seeds, quality seeds availability to the farmers? Because every farmer cannot go to the block level. He cannot go to BDO or some higher authorities. I think there is a need for distribution of quality seeds at the village itself. So how
Yes,
to,
sir. Yes, sir.
or it may be available online also. How do we
No, sir.
take care of that?
Yes, sir. One submission, sir. Our government has instituted that 10,700 Raitu Bharosa Kendras, sir. For every 2,000 hectares, they have instituted. There, village agriculture assistants are there. Every monthly, we too are visiting, our scientists also visiting, and capacity building programs are also initiated to village agriculture assistants. There we are displaying our varieties and seed availability and rate, and we are also giving them the seed and biofertilizers, everything are to display at Raitu Bharosa Kendras, so that that 2,000 farmers available in that village are looking forward and they are coming up to and taking that seed away, sir.
Second issue is that, madam, nowadays there is a increased focus on organic farming, zero budget farming and all that. So in order to meet the huge demand of organic fertilizers, how as a nation we can, as a public policy, how we can ensure that adequate quantity of organic manure and organic pesticides also.
Yes, sir.
How can we make them available to general public?
Sir, biocontrol labs and biocontrol biofertilizer units in our university also, there are 4 biofertilizer units are there, sir. We are regularly producing based on the intents from the department, and we are supplying through Raitu Bharosa Kendras and also for department for people, and farmers are directly approaching us to take out that biofertilizers, and 20%, 25% of the biofertilizers we are substituting with the with chemical fertilizers, sir, so that we can balance. We completely convert it into organic fertilizers, will give reduce yield, sir. That's why we are promoting 25% of the biofertilizers in place of chemical fertilizers, sir, for promoting and without any sacrifice for the yields.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, please.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.